In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like you're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find a post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. And here's the post from Josh. Maytag washer, press start, and it locks the lid, goes into sensing, then wash for a second, then done. And here's the photo of the post. And here are the comments. Doug says probably something plastic is broken underneath the bottom. Maga says check shifter, slider slash clutch during the wash. Does it engage wash plate at least for a second? Do you hear clutch engage during sense and clutch release before wash? Okay, that's it for your comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment for you DIYers and your appliance techs. If you have questions, please put it in the comments as well. If you definitely have solutions, we want to hear that too. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.